Hello friends, today we will talk about the result of 5th house Lord and the 6th. Here we have two examples of two persons born in a different place in the world. One in Delhi, another in London. So we will try to see what will be the differences of the 5th house Lord in both the cases. So this is the first example in front of you. 1st of October 1973, 20 hours, Delhi. And we find that the ascendant degree is 2330. And second example is also 1st October 1973, place of birth in London. Ascendant is, degree is the same, or longitude is the same. So coming on to the first example of Delhi, and we find the Sun gives the result of 5th and 6th because Lord of 5th placed in the 6th house. Moon is the nakshatra of Sun, which is placed in the 7th house, Lord of 4th. Jupiter will give the result of 9 and 12, placed in 9th, Lord of 9 and 12, and we see that Sun gives the result of 5, 6, 4, 7 and 9, 12. 9, 12 means there is all the possibility of long travel. Marriage is quite possible, 7th house is depicted. Intelligence is good, education is good because 4, 5, 9 houses are there. Now coming on to the second example, we see Sun gives the result of 6, Lord of 6 plays in 6th, Moon, Lord of 5th plays in the 7th, so the nakshatra gives the result of 5, 7, Jupiter is Lord of 9 and 10, so it will give the result of 9 and 10 and is placed also in 10. So here you see because 10th house is in the Sun Lord. So professionally this particular person will be better off, but for marriage Sun is very weak. When you talk about intelligence level, it is good, 5, 9, and 5, 9 also signifies change in career. So this Sun to that Sun is different altogether. And the results when we talk about this person born in London, the professional life is above average, you can say. And when we have 5 and 9 houses also there, we can see the person is also spiritual. So otherwise, if you talk of traditional astrology, they will say it is bad results, but they will not be able to specify bad for what and good for what. Here we can say that this particular Sun, for the person born in London, it is bad for marriage and married life, but it is good for professional life. So this is what is the beauty of Nari astrology. Just try to follow it, you will see that you are able to predict precisely. If you have any queries, you can write to me. Another thing I like to add here is that this we have taken two examples of London and Delhi. You can take the example of other cities in the world. You can take the example of any city in Australia, any city in China or Japan or South Africa, America, whatever. You will see that the results coming of that cities will also be different. The results are different because, as you have seen in this example, the results are different because the charts are different. Because charts are different, the placement of the planets is different, the lordships is different, and the difference in charts is because of the difference in latitudes. For all the cities, the latitudes will be different. So therefore there are these different results. So it's so easy for us to understand it by Nari astrology. Just try it, do it, you will get tremendous results. Thank you very much.